Hi everyone, today I will be presenting on physical hazards in the workplace using the AREC framework. Okay, physical hazards are environmental factors at work that can cause harm without direct contact. Okay, example include extreme heat, high noise level and whole body vibrations. Okay, these hazards are commonly found in places like construction sites, factories and heavy machinery operations. Okay, if workers are exposed for a long time, it can lead to serious health problems and reduce work performance. Okay, that's why effective occupational safety and health management is important because it focuses on identifying controlling physical hazards. Okay, in this presentation, I apply the AREC model, which is anticipate, recognize, evaluate and control. Okay, to these three physical hazards, which is extreme heat, high noise level and vibration exposure.
We'll present overview of the physical hazard and AREC framework. The first one is extreme heat, high temperatures and heavy work cause dehydration, heat stress and poor concentration. The next is noise exposure. Loud machinery can lead to hearing loss, fatigue and communication. So the third is vibration exposure. Power tools and equipment may cause HAPS and musculoskeletal problems. And the last one is prevention. Apply the AREC model to manage and control workplace hazard. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, for case study 1, which is extreme heat exposure. Okay, construction workers often face extreme heat because they were under the direct sunlight on hot surface and perform heavy physical tasks. Okay, this heat stress affects their health, safety and job performance. Okay, with rising global temperatures, the risk is becoming more serious. Okay, using the AREC framework, first anticipate the causes. Okay, these include long working hours under the sun, physical labor, poor rest and low hydration. Okay, next, recognize. Okay, mild symptoms include fatigue, dehydration, dizziness, headache and poor concentrations. In more severe cases, workers may experience heat exhaustion or heat stroke, which can lead to confusions, organ failure or even death. Okay, then evaluate. When the WBGT is above 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, it indicates a high risk for strenuous work. Okay, finally, the control. Okay, engineering control includes shaded areas, cooling stations, better airflow. Okay, administrative controls, which are the most effective, include work rest cycles, cooler working hours, hydration programs and heat stress training. Okay, for personal protective equipment, workers should wear lightweight, breathable clothing and use cooling clothes. Okay, in conclusion, proper administrative measures can significantly reduce heat strain and improve workers' safety.
Our presentation, the case study 2 in our group of the physical hazard is high noise level in manufacturing or factory. Overview of this case study is noise is a major hazard in Malaysia manufacturing sector. It causes permanent noise include hearing loss and HL. The causes of the study case in loud machinery and long working hours with monitoring and inconsistent PPEs. The heart effect of this physical hazard is damage hearing permanently, causes stress, fatigue and accident risk. The risk level of this hazard is limit 85 dBA for 8 hours. Above this limit is high risk for this physical hazard. And then the control measure is the engineering controls like enclosures, barriers and maintenance. and the net is administrators is job rotation and the provide of training. The last one is PPE. We can the workers can use earphones and earmuffs while they works. Thank you. That's all for me.
It's my part about case study 3, which means vibration exposure from power tools and heavy machinery. Vibration is a common job like construction and factories. It happens when workers use tools like drills and jackhammer or driving machine like excavator and forklift. There are two types of vibration, which is first is hand hammer vibration, which affect the hands and arms. Second is a whole body vibration, which affect the back and whole body. Vibration problem happen when workers use these tools for a long time, machines are not well maintained, or workers do not get enough rest. The health effects include numb fingers, tingling, weak grip and white finger. It can also cause back pain and tiredness. If exposed for a long time, it can cause permanent nerve and muscle damage. To control this, the best way is to use low vibration tools and keep machine in a good condition. Employers should also limited working time, give rest break and provide training. Gloves can help a little, but they are not enough alone. Under the OSHA Safety and Health Act 1994, employers must keep workers safe. In conclusion, vibration may seem small, but long-term exposure can cause serious health problems, so proper control is very important. For the conclusion, physical hazards like extreme heat, high noise, and vibration are common in construction and industrial work in Malaysia. They are caused by harsh environment, long exposure, and heavy machinery. This hazard can cause heat stress, hearing loss, back pain, nerve damage, fatigue, and poor concentration. This increases the risk of accident and reduce productivity. To manage this risk, we use the industrial hygienic approach: anticipate, recognize, evaluate, and control. Engineering control are most effective for noise and vibration. For heat administration control like rest break, hydration, and job routine are important. PPE only support other controls. In Malaysia, safety is covered under the OSHA Act 1994, Noise Exposure Regulation 2019, and DOSH guideline. However, safety depends on good enforcement, monitoring, and employer commitment. In conclusion, proper control of physical hazard protect workers' health and improve productivity. That's all from us. Thank you.